Now, how can we increase the levels of NAD plus in our bodies? Because we now understand that maintaining these levels are crucial for aging and our health. So oral supplementation of vitamin B3 in the form of niacin or the form of nicotinamide, the regular forms of vitamin B3 that are found in most B-complex supplements, is an option. But these forms of vitamin B3 enter the NAD plus salvage pathway, as I mentioned, and have shown to increase NAD plus levels, but they are not usually adopted because of the side effect of painful flushing sensation of high doses of vitamin B3. But don't lose hope. There are more suitable forms of vitamin B3 that do increase NAD+, but do not have the side effects. These vitamin B3 forms include nicotinamide mononucleotide and nicotinamide riboside. These two vitamin B3 forms increase the levels of NAD+, but without any side effects. All of the 4 versions of vitamin B3 that I mentioned are structurally very different and processes them differently. Now, the last 2 mentioned forms of vitamin B3, the nicotinamide mononucleotide and nicotinamide riboside, have also been shown to improve multiple physiological functions in animal models when supplemented. These 2 forms of B3 are also found in foods like whey protein and brewer's yeast, which you may wish to increase consumption with aging. But of these 2, the most beneficial form of vitamin B3 is nicotinamide riboside. It's especially beneficial, and it's even well documented that it is well tolerated at therapeutic doses of even 1,000 milligrams per day with no serious adverse events occurring. Even a single dose of nicotinamide riboside stimulates NAD plus production in healthy humans. And we also see with this supplementation of nicotinamide riboside an increase in other energy producing molecules such as adenosine and ATP. So we will have also increased energy in our body. Dietary supplementation of nicotinamide riboside also significantly improves NAD plus levels in the brain, reducing brain function decline that occurs with aging. So, all in all, to conclude, NAD plus is crucial for our health, and its effects on health and aging are very evident. When consuming foods such as brewer's yeast and whey protein, or supplementing with the most potent anti-aging form of vitamin B3, nicotinamide riboside, which I definitely recommend doing after the age of 50, then the levels of NAD plus rise and help us feel more alert, more relaxed, more energized, and more youthful, even as we age.